If you've ever taken a business class or attended a strategy meeting for work, you might have run into a grid that looks something like this. This is an example of a SWOT analysis or SWOT diagram. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And if you're already familiar with the basics of SWOT and want to learn how to make your own, check out our how-to tutorial video linked in the upper right. SWOT analysis is used to describe the competitive environment that your business is operating in. So with an overview like this, you can figure out what initiatives your business will benefit most from or what blind spots you should start to plan against. Strengths and weaknesses go in the top here, and these are the things that are internal or specific to your business. Your strengths are the things that you control and that give you an advantage over your competitors. So maybe your app has more users than your competitors. Maybe it has the most items listed or the best return policy. This could also be things like your foothold in an industry or your brand recognition. These are the internal upsides that fit into the strengths category. Weaknesses, on the other hand, are the things that you have some control over, but that you unfortunately are at a disadvantage in. So this could be things like a lack of quality control or poor network security. Maybe your app is only available in English or only available on Android devices. So these are the things that you can fix, and right now, the things that are holding you back or dragging you down. This could also be things like bug fixes that need to be done before you start working on adding new features. Opportunities and threats, on the other hand, are external to your business. The opportunities are the positive things that are happening in the external environment, and the threats are the negative things that are happening in the external environment. Your opportunities are the things you don't control, but that you could take advantage of. So this would be industry or consumer trends that make your business more positive or will help you in the coming months. This could also be things like competitors who are exiting the space or less directly competing with you, which creates a gap that you can take advantage of. Your threats, on the other hand, are things you don't control that negatively affect you. So this could be things like prices trending down so your business is making less money. It could be things like new competitors who are able to move more quickly and catch you on your heels. One thing that also really commonly shows up in threats is regulation. So an example would be if your biggest international shipping route is from France to England, and England just imposed new tariffs or shipping fees, that would be a threat to your business. So that's kind of how this is structured. You can use SWOT analysis for early brainstorming and planning within your organization, like simply evaluating whether or not you should even start a company. If you're part of an established company, SWOT analysis like this can help you problem solve by putting a problem in a broader or a different context. If you have a laundry list of potential things to get done, doing a SWOT analysis like this can help you prioritize, because maybe you're really concerned about one of these weaknesses or one of these threats, and an initiative is going to help you really directly address it while also leveraging a strength. And last, it's a great way to just learn the competitive landscape. So if you're onboarding new employees or you're new to an organization, completing a SWOT analysis like this is a good way to just get to know what's going on with that company. That is your basic rundown of SWOT analysis. If you're ready to make your own SWOT analysis like this one, check out our video linked in the upper right.